My name is Maribel Reyes, and I'm the vice president of ALMA. ALMA is the Alliance of Pastors, Latin Ministerial Pastors here in Austin, but I'm also pastor of a church. And I'm against SB 185 because doing this mission as a pastor, I live, with the scars of the people that I have to see week by week because of all the experiences they've been through. And passing SB, 185 is going to affect the Hispanic community and the community at large because the base, we have families, and I cannot say that this is just families from Mexico, from Honduras. This is people from all over the world. This is the people that I pastor, and the families are based their trust with the government and with any institution, concerning the relationship that they have. And SB 185 is going to bring fear to the families. And also, Senator Perry says this is a maybe bill, and I think we're taking a lot of chances. This is, for me, a risk bill because I've been seeing what is happening with the families when get separated. And I'm not talking about, immigrants that they don't have papers and just that, people get in love to each other. Our congregation is all kinds of people. They raise their kids together. They make friends with other families. They know people from different cultures. And this is people that are good citizens. I'm not talking about any criminals. And what I'm saying is we're going to pay a greater price to take a chance or risk. There's plenty agencies that enforce the federal immigration laws. Plus, we have the 287G program that is enough to do what they're qualified to do. And also, please don't send, we can read the letter of the law, but the spirit of the law, that's something that we can feel, we can sense too. Not only the letter, we don't need another Arizona here. It's going to affect every area of the society, including the area where I'm ministering. And this is a calling for me. Don't make Texas a hostile state, because Texas is a leading state, and I believe that the families that we leading on this Hispanic community, they've been doing so much good to the community in their generations to come. I mean, since when I started ministry about close to 20 years ago, we didn't have that many kids that finished high school. Now we have a lot of them that finish college. So this is the people I'm talking about. And thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mrs. Reyes. Members, questions for Mrs. Reyes?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.